All right, second video for today. If you saw the first one, I lost $300 on my 50k account. It's up now just over 3%. But I have a fresh 100k, which I found another trade, which won. I'm now up 3% on that. I'll go over the trade. So obviously for the first trade, I didn't wait for the 15-minute gap tap because I didn't think we needed it, as we had the 5-minute and we had an SMT with the 15-minute, but clearly we did want to go and touch it. So I will journal that and I'll look into that and possibly how I could have avoided the loss, but the loss is fine, $300, you know, whatever. Basically, so we tapped that. We then made an SMT. The SMT is there. And then what we got was we got a very, very, very nice 30-second long, right? We had it here. If you go on the 30-second on the ES, you see we had an SMT here, so an internal SMT. Whoops, wrong tool. We had an internal SMT there. We then had, obviously, we had this CISD here. I'll clear this, is a bit messy. Let me turn executions off too. So we had the CISD there, and then we had a nice push through the 30-second, bought there, and then sold just before the 10 a.m. opening price, which is what my target was, which obviously, like I said, I wanted to see the 10 a.m. open, and then we were going to see a low, then a high close somewhere. But obviously, yeah, just got in a bit early. Still the long I took on my 50k account, this one here, still can't see anything wrong with it, other than obviously the only thing is we didn't touch the 15-minute gap, but I don't necessarily think that's anything wrong, as 5 minutes enough for a continuation for me, and we had the SMT with it. But, you know, looking to obviously how bullish we were, maybe you could have wanted a 15-minute. Obviously, we still didn't come near discount, but we're not going to. There's the 15-minute IRL to ERL now completed, as we've just took this high. So obviously, if I didn't have a money target, I would have held to this high, which would have played nicely. But yeah, so that was it. 30-second long. Just thought I'd come on and explain that trade. Obviously, it would have been nice to take it on this account, but small loss. I'm happy I locked out. And yeah, so we've now got two accounts up both 3%, which is very nice. And I've got this account that I was messing around on today, but I do have 3 free resets from Top Step, so I was just kind of full pointing it and fucking about, but we'll just reset that. So I'll have the fresh 100k and then 100k and a 50k, both in 3% profit, which is looking very nice for next week. Obviously, yeah, CPI tomorrow. I will come on and look if there's potentially something. We also have PMI, so I will be careful trading tomorrow. But you never know, might give us some nice volatility and a nice good setup. But yeah, obviously today we didn't get what we wanted coming into market open. Obviously, I wanted previous day low, but still, obviously, ended up making some nice trades. Both trades I took I'm very happy with, and I'm happy that obviously I flipped my bias, because obviously there could have been lots of times here I'm just trying to spam, you know, shorts, and then obviously they wouldn't have worked. But obviously I did understand that even though I was bearish, that obviously I can be wrong, and we were in fact bullish. All right, so that was just the other little recap.